In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a credit card limit increase with Bank of America using the easiest method possible. It's a straightforward process, so let's walk through it step by step together. First, go ahead and open your web browser and navigate to the official Bank of America homepage. You're looking for a familiar interface with links to various services such as banking, credit cards, loans, and Merrill investing. Make sure you're on the secure site by checking that the URL begins with HTTPS for added security. Once there, locate the login button, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Now that you've found the login button, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a secure page where you can enter your login details. Enter your credentials carefully, your online ID and passcode. If you've forgotten them, don't worry, there are options available to recover this information with ease. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your main account overview. Next, you'll want to select the specific credit card account for which you want to request an increase. You should see a list of your accounts, including checking and savings accounts, loans, and credit cards. Click on the credit card account to get more details about it. It's important to ensure you're selecting the correct card, particularly if you have multiple accounts with Bank of America. Once you've selected the credit card, look for an option labeled something like Request Credit Limit Increase. This option might be under a menu or directly on your account summary page. If you're having trouble finding it, there might be a search bar or a help section where you can inquire about increasing your credit limit. After locating the appropriate link or section, follow the instructions provided by the website. This will probably involve answering a few questions about your income, employment status, and the desired credit limit increase. Be honest and accurate with your information as it can affect your approval. Submitting your request should be simple, often just requiring a click of a button once you've filled out the necessary details. If you prefer speaking to someone directly or have any issues completing your request online, you always have the option to call Bank of America. You can find the customer service phone number on the back of your credit card. Speaking with the representative might also provide you with more insight into your eligibility and the probable outcome. And that's how you request a credit card limit increase with Bank of America. Simple, right? By following these steps, you'll ensure the process is as smooth and straightforward as possible. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this helps you manage your credit needs more effectively.